right. The next one is padding. Right, padding I had shown already. If you want, I will show once again. Right, select the XY plane, sketcher. Right, whatever the diagram that we can be drawn. Suppose I want to draw two circles. In circle also, for constraining, if we select this, here we can have the diameter as well as radius. If you want to in radius means we can cut into radius. If you want the reading dimensions in diameter means we can have the diameter. Otherwise radius means radius. We can check any one depending upon the diagram. Right, exit workbench. Here there will be a pad option will be there. Right, if you want to press the pad, then length will be increased. Otherwise here there will be lot number of options, up to next, up to last, up to plane, up to surface. Depending upon our usage, we are going to select this. These are the few commands. Up to last means it can go wherever the end of the object, it will go up to last. Up to next means if we have two layers, it will go for the next layer. Up to plane means it will go this is the plane, we will call as a planes: X plane, Y plane, Z plane. Plane means it will go up to plane. Up to surface means whatever the last surface is there, up to last it will go. Right now we are not going to use any other diagrams, means simply we can press the dimensions. Here thickness will be also mentioned, no need of any thickness, we did not mention. And mirror directions means both sides. Reverse direction means reverse direction. Right, okay. This is the padding option. Right. Right, control. Next, pocketing. Pocketing is also simple. Right, exit workbench, pad. Here we can select the plane or surface, anything we can surface. Suppose I want to draw one more diagram on the top of the surface, plus select the surface and select the sketcher. That's all. You will go to that plane. Right, select the circle. If you want more number of circles, we can also select more number of circles. Just click on circle and click the left button of the mouse. Right, okay. Exit workbench. Now pocket will be highlighted. Right, we have selected the three components. This is very, very important. Please listen carefully. If I want to select only one circle, then I need to go for profile selection. Here we need to click the right button. Select the right button. Go to profile definition. This option is used for selecting only one circle. Right? One second. Select. Right. Select this circle. Pocket. Right button. Go to profile selection. Sub elements. Add. Right, okay, I will show one more time. Right, okay, pocket. Here we can see that dimension up to last. I will select right now up to last. We are not selecting the object. Okay, one second. My mouse is not in the proper manner. Right, here we need to select the object. Select the object. Pocket. Right, here now we can see the dimension up to last. Up to last means it will go up to the last automatically. Preview. right? Okay, in this way we can use the pocket option, right? Next, revolve option is also very important. File, new, part, right? Right. Please listen carefully. Revolve option is very important. Revolve option is mainly used for doing the sectional views. Like I want to view the section in 250 degrees, 240 degrees, 180 degrees, 90 degrees. Section views are revolve option is used more uh, mainly for viewing the sectional views, right? Mainly cups, balls, glasses, or many of the diagrams are used by using the section revolve option. For revolve option, we need to close the entire circle and we need to click exit button, right? After that, we select the revolve shaft option will be there. After selecting the shaft, we need to select the center line so that it will come under the 360 degrees. Suppose I want to change the angle. This is called as a section views. Suppose I want it to view the diagram in 250 degrees, right? This is the option, right? Most of the circular views are drawn like this only. Suppose I want to do 360 degrees. Select the center line, mention it as 360 degrees. Okay. Now the diagram is happening. Here in shaft option, we need to understand the diagram carefully. Then we need to draw only half view of the diagram. That is called as a shaft. Right? For shaft, we can here there will be one hole option will also be there. Directly we can put the hole. How much diameter up to bind up to last also we can be used. Right? We can increase the diameter of the hole. Directly we can place the hole. See, through the hole. This is the hole option. Now pad, pocket, shaft, hole. These three objects has been completed. Rib I had seen yesterday. Right? Right. These are the changing color completed, pad completed, pocket completed, revolve completed. Text embossing. This is the very important topic. In drafting, we will use the text embossing. Like we use in the sheet metals. Mainly we use in sheet metals. For this, please take a note. It is some long, lengthy procedure. Right. First of all, we need to select background of the board. Right. On the board only we can have the text embossing. Right. For that, okay, no problem. Select the rectangle. Center rectangle, draw it from the center, right? Exit workbench, right? Extrude pad, pad we will take like 35, okay, right? On the top of this board we need to have the text, but for this we need to go for start, mechanical design. Here drafting option will be there. Click on the drafting. Here we will select the new drawing creation like A4 size, ISO. These all will be there. We use just click OK. Right. Already I had drawn some figures. Oh, it is taken like okay. 1 second. Second, I had drawn the mechanical design, drafting. I need to select the plane. Okay, right. Plane paper I had selected. Previously I had selected the sectional views, side view, top view, like that. Right. Here I need to write the text. Whatever the text that I need on that object, I need to write the text. For text, insert annotations. Text. This option we need to select. After selecting the text, we need to double click on that. Text editor will be happen. I will write one practice session session AICT internship. Right. I had written some text. If I want to change the text, means size of the text, font of the text, just right click on the text, properties. Right. Here you go for the text. Right. Here there will be some font names and left to anchor mode preferences. Font. Alright. In font we have different types of font styles will be there, regular, italic, bold, and we can also change the size of the font also. Right. Strike through, overline, superscript to antiscript color, we can also change anything. There will be more number of I will go for 10, I think so. Okay. If font italic means italic also we can select. Okay. Apply. Okay. See, it has been changed. We can drag it to the center also, no problem. Where we want we can place it. Right. After completing all the text written, we need to save this file. This is very, very important. File, save as. Right. I will go for documents.
That's the request.
Chapani.
Yes.
Hello, tell me. If you have any problem, you can text me here in message. You can chat here. Is there any problem? Please tell. Hello. Some of them has been stopped. Please raise your question. Otherwise, I can move. Hello.
Sir.
Chapnana. Sheikh Sultan.
లేదు సార్.
Okay.
లేదు సార్. కొంచెం వెయిట్ చేస్తాను.
ఓకే అడ్మిట్ కొట్టాను. నాకు డిస్టర్బెన్స్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. అందరూ ఒకటేసారి జాయిన్ అయితే బాగుంటుంది. నో ప్రాబ్లం. రైట్, ఐ హ్యాడ్ అడ్మిటెడ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. Right, I will go for CATIA. Right, here while saving the button, you please observe it carefully. One more has been joined. One second. Okay. Right, while saving the text, we need to have the DWG file. We need to save this as a DWG file. DW is nothing but drawing. Okay, we need to save the file in DWG file. Right, it has been completed. Now we can go to the previous window. Means here there will be a window. Here I can see lot number of windows. Right, I can select the part 4. Right, I need to paste the text here. For this I have one option. One second, I will move this. I will hide this. Right. Again, some of them has been admitted. After joining, please do not exit. Why? Because it is very difficult in middle of the session to admit all of you. It's my sincere request. I need to change the window. I need to admit. This is the long, lengthy process. So please understand. Okay, no problem. Right. After saving the file, you please open that file where you have been saved. Pictures. Just music. Right, music. Here, open with. No problem. Here also we can open. Right. More has been admitted. Right. Right, here file, open. We need to open that file. Right, I have saved in music. Right, drawing, open. After opening that file, we need to copy the text. Select the text like this by dragging the mouse. right? Control C. Control C is for copying the text. Is the text totally copied? Otherwise, I will select one more time. Right. Control C. Next, open our previous window, like it is in part 4. Right. Right. Here, I need to go for 2D. I think so. Sketcher. Right. Here, I need to paste it. Control V. See, the text has been pasted here. Please keep it in reminder. We need to type the text in drafting mode, and we need to save the file in DWG mode. After that, open the file, copy the text, then paste the text in wherever we want. Next, I will bring this text on the top of my area. Right? Select the text. One second. Select, already text has been selected. Next, exit workbench. Exit workbench. Extrude. I want to emboss my text on the top of my back of the plane. Right? We can have the text. Right? It cannot be visible, like go for isometric and it will be visible. Right? Practice. One second. I'll set this. Right. We can also do the pocket for that all. For the same text, we can do the pocket also. Right? Select the pocket button up to last. Okay. See, up to last the text has been removed. Practice session AACD internship. Right? I did not type totally. Why? Because length of the length constraint. All of you visible or this one or not? In this way we are going to have the text embossing on a surface. Right? If you want, we can change the color of this also. Second, where is the pad 1? Alright, pad 1, properties, graphic. We'll go with this. Apply. Okay. We can change the text color also. One second, where it is. Pocket, properties. Apply. Okay. See how the text is reflecting the model. Right. Yeah. Right now I have done changing color, pad, pocket, revolve, text embossing, and now this is the main important thing. Sample diagrams I will show. I will draw live the diagrams. Right. For this, I will do one thing. Some of them is please admitting right now. Admit all. Admit. Right. Okay. Right. Today we will practice 2 diagrams. I will first show the diagrams. Picture. Screen recording. Right. This is the image that we can draw with the help of revolve option. Like these images we can draw in revolve option. Shaft option. Right. We practice this figure today. Right. I will go with left hand. I will go with right hand CATIA. I think it will not come. Okay. I can change it, no problem. Right. We will practice this figure, and I will ask one question. 1 second. Need to impose it. Right. Please scan the QR code and answer this question. I need answer. Either you can answer it or not. Please tell me. All are pressing like button. I don't want any like button. For drawing this figure, how much time you take? Right, one of them 30 minutes. Can anyone answer? $20. 30 minutes. 5 minutes. Very good. Still we can minimize. Right. Thank you. Thanks for your response. Right. I am stopping that. Right. It may take hardly 1 to 2 minutes to draw this diagram if you practice regularly CATIA. Right. In the interview also, they will give one diagram and they will give the they will shortlist that according to your time only. Right. Right now I am drawing this figure. First of all, after seeing the figure, from where to we start and how to we draw the diagram, either in top view or side view, or first what is the first part that we need to draw, that we need to be analyze it. Analyzing the diagram takes more time, and drawing the diagram takes minimum time. That is the most important thing, right? By seeing this diagram, first of all I will draw this plate, and I will draw, after that I will draw this ring, and after that I will draw this flange. Okay, right. Please, anyone can note down the time. I will show one by one slowly how much time it has been taken. You can tell it, right? First of all, I will draw with rectangle. What is the size of this rectangle? 80 into 80 plus 20 plus 20, 120. 80 into 120. I will draw one rectangle. Right. Select XY plane, sketcher. Whatever the diagram that we need to draw, we need to take from center point only. Why? I will show right now only. Right? What are the constraints? Constraints 80. Next 120. Right, 120. Okay, right. I had drawn this rectangle. Then I need to extrude. How much the thickness is? 15 mm. Exit workbench. Pad. Always I am saying that extrude is used in Pro E. Right. Okay, no problem. Pad. After creating that pad, I need to draw the two circles. One of this diameter is 30 and another one is 80. Here you can see that 80, 60. Right. I will go select the sketcher, select the face and circle. Draw the circle. Okay, and then one more circle. If you double click that, we can use a multiple types command. Right. Next constraint. One is 60, and another one is 80. Here it is gone to the radius. I will change it to the diameter. How much? What happened? Radius only. 1 second. Okay, extrude 15, sketcher, right, circle, I need to make it 30, I think so. Oh, no. Right, after say I create in the circle, exit workbench, extrude, how much? Extrude 20. I will select the 20. Okay, again one more circle is there, it is through circle with a diameter of 30, with a length of 50. Right, I will select the plane, sketcher, it has given one fit to one. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమవుతుందంటే టూ సర్కిల్స్ గీసిన సర్కిల్స్ మనకి హైలైట్ కావాలంటే రైట్ బటన్ క్లిక్ చేసి రెఫరెన్స్ ఆన్ చేసుకుంటే మనకి హైలైట్ అవుతుంది. రైట్, నెక్స్ట్ అగైన్ సర్కిల్ ఫ్రమ్ సెంటర్ డిస్టెన్స్, లెంత్ వచ్చేసి రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ 15. రైట్, exit workbench. Right, it has been top of the surface. I need to do throughout the whole pad, pocket up to last. No problem. Up to last. Okay. It will be through the hole. Right. After that, I need to draw the flanges. For flanges, if we draw one flange, we can do mirror for the other side also. Right. For drawing the flange, we select that reference plane side and select this one. Please enter fit all in. Right, here also we can see that reference on, so that it will be highlighted. Next, take this rectangle, right. All right, I need to constrain this bar, means select control button and select this one, coincidence. It will be have the coincidence, same like the other side also. This is the constraint definition, coincidence. Right, both the sides will be joined by using the coincidence button. Next, here he has drawn a reference line 50 mm from top of the surface. Right, for that we have an axis line. We can draw the one axis line here, and we can give the constraint here to here. We can draw it 50. Where we can zoom it. Right, exactly it has been 50. Okay, no problem. Right, anyway we know that center point here is the center point. Now we will draw one circle through this center point. Right. Okay. Now we need to remove the excess material by using the quick trim here. This is the quick trim button. I enter double click, so that I can erase this. I can erase this. I can erase this also. I can, like, otherwise I can delete this also. Right. Right. Again, there is a one circle with 32 mm. Again, I need to draw one circle from here to here. and 16. Right. Now the profile has been drawn, flange has been drawn for side view of that main diagram. Now exit workbench. Right. Pad. Now it has been come to the outside. Shagotidi. I need to go for the reverse direction. See how the reverse direction has been worked. What is the thickness? 20 mm. 20 mm is already there. Okay. Now I have drawn one flange. Just by taking the mirror command, I will draw on the other side easily. Right. For this, I need to select that pad command. Otherwise, I will do one thing. లోపలికి వెళ్ళు నాని దగ్గరికి పో. లోపల నీకెందుకు పో, నువ్వు వీడియో చూసుకో పో. రైట్, సారీ ఫర్ ద డిస్టర్బెన్స్. ఓకే, right. I will select whatever the flange has been drawn. I am going to select that flange. Right, no need of that. Right, here this is very, very important. See that there is a command like mirror. We have mirrors both in 2D and 3D. Please remember, mirror is there in for both 2D and 3D. Now we are going to use the mirror in 3D. Right, please select this mirror command. Now select the center plane. Right, it will be displayed on the opposite side. Right, you plus OK. Then the entire diagram has been completed. You can compare both the diagrams, the drawn diagram and shown diagram. One second. Right, okay. I will show these two diagrams. If you have any doubts, right. Here I will use the fit in one. Now isometric. Right. Right, see that exactly the figure has been drawn. It may take hardly 2 to 3 minutes to complete this figure if all the dimensions are ready, if you note in the notebook. This is the one sample diagram which I had drawn today, and I will show one more option today. It is also very, very important. I had used the mirror command and I had placed the reference line. I selected the reference line. It will automatically reflect on the other side of the plane. This is the mirror command in 3D. Now I will show one more diagram. I will draw one more diagram. Right. This is the diagram that I will draw this diagram right now. Right. You can see that figure clarity. Right. Okay. I am going to draw this figure. 1 second. I will maximize this. Most of them are now admitting. 1 second. Sorry, difficult to operate today. Right, I will take one more new start mechanical design. I will go directly with part design. Right, XY plane, sketcher. Right, first of all, by this diagram we are going to start from base onwards. From base onwards we are going to start. This is also very simple figure. It may take hardly 1 to 2 minutes to draw this figure. First of all, we draw this baseline like it is all around the 9 mm thickness, 75 mm width. Right, we can draw this by using the center rectangle also. Here is the center rectangle. Directly I am drawing this figure. Right, thickness is 9, distance is 75. Thickness is 9. Width is 75. Always we need to enter the dimensions exactly according to the dimensions only. We are going to draw exact 100% accuracy we will get. Right, after that 9 mm distance between both of that. 9, I think 9, right, 33. Right, okay, no problem. We are going to draw one more line. Right, distance between this one is 4.5. 4.5. Right, I will use the mirror command. See how it will be reflected. Select the command, select the mirror. One second, I need to draw the axis line. Without axis line, the mirror will not be worked out. Select the mirror. Automatically it will be reflected. Right, total distance is 9. Now I can trim the unwanted material. This is my unwanted material. This is also my unwanted material. Local kill. Next, I need to draw the from top of that to bottom of the circle 40 mm. Now I need to take the reference line, axis line. Now mention the distance between this point and this point as 45. I think it has been overlinked, crossed. 40, huh? Okay. We can easily edit the dimensions by double clicking on the dimension. Okay, actually here it is. We can use the extend button and we can also draw. Now right now I will draw this line. లోపలికి వెళ్ళు న్యాన్షో నానా మా మా వీని పిలువమా Okay, 40 has been drawn. Now from the center point to I need to draw two circles. One is 15 plus 8. circle has been moved. One second. Otherwise, I will draw a line here. I need to line one more row. Okay. I will do one thing. I will replace it. Okay. 15. 15. Oh, this has been not constant, so it has been moved. 1 second. I will leave this constant button. Today mouse is very difficult. Right. We can directly plus 15 plus 8, no problem. It will take automatically. Right. Right now I will remove the unwanted things. One. I need to double click it. Control Z. Okay. Here also I need to remove. For constraints, we need to take the radius exactly. 15. Or 23. Remove the unwanted things, all the things. Right. Exit workbench. The file has been missing. Let's file has been missed, no problem. But tomorrow I will show this diagram. Actually my mouse is in trouble. uh, I will ask for some more few questions. You please answer for that questions. Today I had prepared the slides. Present. Oh, please answer for this question. Okay, very good. If you practice the CATIA, then it is very good. Fine. 10, 12, 13. Right. Very good the response. Thank you. One second. Next, one more question. Most of them are interested in software field. I think it is not going. Okay, thank you for your response.